Welcome guys to another video from this series using the automatic starter kit for Raspberry Pi, and our lesson number 2 is gonna be activate bus. Now we're gonna use sound. Last video was live, now we're gonna use bus sound. Lesson 2 is activate bus. Now we're gonna show you what things we're gonna use for this small lesson, and we're gonna build. We're gonna use a Raspberry Pi, a breadboard, the bus thing, and we're gonna use tremor resistant and jumper cables. 3 jumper cables for the breadboard to the Raspberry Pi, and 1 for the breadboard, goes between the breadboard's points. So we're gonna put the active bus on the breadboard, and then be careful with that because sometimes it's gonna hard to put it, and they're a little sensitive, the pins on the stuff. We're gonna put it on the middle, the cables, and then we're gonna, after that, we're gonna do the transmitter. I'm not gonna put it together because if not, it's gonna look unprofessional, but I'm gonna separate just in case if we are unplug something on the wrong part of the breadboard, we can able to see clearly. Now we're gonna use the jumper cable from the transmitter pin number 1 to the bus, and then after that we're gonna use the regular jumper cables that goes from the breadboard to the Raspberry Pi. And then we're gonna first, before putting the jumper cables, we're gonna put the transmitter on pin number 2. We're gonna bend a little, that's a 220k resistance. We're gonna put on the middle pin from the transmitter, connected to the other side of the breadboard, and then we're gonna use the jumper cables for the Raspberry to the Raspberry Pi. So we're gonna use the third one on the transmitter to the Raspberry Pi. It's gonna be pin number 12, and then it's kind of a little hard, but if you are not able to see which pin is, you can download the schematics from the Raspberry Pi pins. So you're gonna check where the voltage goes, where the 3.3 voltage, and then where the 5 voltage goes, and then the ground, and then the pins. And then this another pin is gonna go to the ground. So we're gonna check it. Ground is going to be on the third one. On the third one, no, sorry, we're going to put that one on the 3.3 voltage, not ground. And then we're going to put the last jumper cable on the third resistant and transmit it to the ground pin. So we are ready to put it to work. Now we're gonna write the code. It's a little extra, but it's almost the same as the LED lesson 1. We're gonna write the code. Always you can name whatever you want on your file, but always put the py for Python. So we're gonna always put imported RPI GPI as GPIO. Imported time, because we're gonna use time zone. So we're gonna be 12. We're gonna set up the GIP section, define group. That's gonna be help us separate everything on their space. So we're gonna do the loop, which is gonna run while the program is running using time. So we're gonna use less than a second. We're gonna use 0.1, and the GPI is gonna output high and low. Low is when it's gonna make the sound, high is gonna be when it's off. And then we're gonna do another define for destruction. It means when we stop the loop, the function is gonna run and clear the pins. It means clear the pins, stop the program. After everything you finish doing some coding, or double check your work, because this lesson I got a bunch of things to not able to fix it. We're gonna do this, then we're gonna save it. Then we're gonna check the pseudo Python. We're gonna put the pause that why. Okay, there was a problem on the time slip line, which is they show you what line is and then line 16. So we're gonna back to the coding section and check what was wrong. The problem was it wasn't on the same line straight as the other loop. So we're gonna put it on the same section, all three on the same, and then we're gonna save it. Let's gonna type it again to Python pause, and then there's another error. And in the error it was line 22, which I forgot to put double equal sign, because when you put one is you are putting the object to a name. So we're gonna run it again and then let's check. So you're gonna hear the sound of the bus. We're gonna sudo Python bus, and then we're gonna run it. And then you see it's making a little sound, and then we're gonna stop the program with Control and C, and that's all. I hope you like this video. Any question you can comment below on this video, and I hope you continue watching this series all the way to the end. Thank you, and I hope you like it.